welcome to my humble abode. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth Kokobasi. You can already see on the timeline it shows our Airbnb space here in London. So this is where we'll be staying for the next 5 days, and I thought to show you guys what it looks like inside an Airbnb in London. So, well, I'll start with my most favorite thing. So my most favorite thing in this apartment is the lamp. It's, you just touch it and it comes on, and the color as well. I like it. So yeah, moving on to the kitchen. This is just a studio apartment, guys, and this is the kitchen area. We have the fridge, we have the electronic gas cooker, we have the oven, and there is a microwave here. Yes, this apartment comes with plates already in here, and the glass cups are here. You can see everything is already in the building, so you really don't need to bring any extra stuff in here. You have the waste area just here, and the fire blanket. In case there is a kitchen hazard, a kitchen fire, you can just use this and eliminate the fire. This is the cooking area. Let me show you the living space. This is the living area, and in the living area I have a sitting area where I work from, and there is a heater here for the room, and then the bathroom. So guys, in the bathroom you have the mirror, hi, and you have this electric towel reel for heating up towels. Yeah, it's really functional, very good. Yeah, basically that's all, guys. The amenities in an Airbnb in London. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to our studio apartment tour in Greece. Compared to the UK, this apartment is bigger. This is the cooking area, that's the kitchen. It's smaller actually, unlike the one in the UK. Then come into the sitting area. The sitting area is quite bigger than the one in the UK. It has a couch here. Ethan, please, thank you. Yeah. And a dining area and a workstation that I'll be working at. And basically this is the work area. It has a balcony as well. A very lovely balcony. Look, so cute, guys. It's quite bigger than the houses in the UK. This is Greece, guys, and the bathroom. Oh, let's show the bathroom area. Look at my nice working area. So cute. And the bathroom. They even have these cute flip-flops for you to wear in the house. And I even forgot. Cute! Oh my god. My goodness, this is the highlight. I really love this. It's amazing, yeah, it's beautiful. And she left us a bottle of wine. Our host is amazing. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Hi guys, so it's the morning after we got to Greece, and I believe I should show you the space in the morning. And I was saying the kitchen in Greece is smaller. It's actually bigger than the one in the UK because you have this whole space to work with. And the living area. So I wanted to show you this and our neighborhood in the morning. Has the sitting area, and this is the neighborhood. You have lots of graffitis on the wall, so yeah, we won't really see it here. But this is how the neighborhood looks like. Sitting area is very cute, I think. For me, it's really, really cute. Have a baby cot here. Another feature that I like and love in this house, just hold on, have the night and day blind. So have this feature, you can just like roll this down. Amazing. And this up. So this is another thing. If you're coming from the UK or you're coming from Nigeria or outside of EU, you should have this adapter so you can plug it in here. I think most of the houses have this loop, so you plug this and then you can then plug your laptop chargers, your phone chargers to it. See you on my next vlog. Bye.
Bye.